Hi guys, today I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in this, you just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you click here on accessibility here, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on display and text size. So then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to reduce here which point, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, and here can you select here. So that's all you have to do. Can you select your bright colors? So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.